Mozilla killed Orbit, so I rebuilt it locally, privately, and without a single cloud dependency. Last year, Mozilla released Orbit, an AI-powered browser summarizer hosted on a Google Cloud Platform server. It looked promising at first glance, but then people started digging into the extension, and they discovered things like backend endpoints, such as store salt. Eventually, Mozilla discontinued the project. For the past month, I have been trying to rebuild Orbit from scratch, but with one major difference. Apogee is fully local and privacy-focused. Apogee doesn't send or store your data. It can directly connect to your local Ollama instance for inference. I have also added WebGPU integration for Chrome and Transformers, JS for Firefox, to provide faster, local responses. You can check out the source code here on GitHub, where the README says it is an offline-first, privacy, respecting browser extension built with care by the creator and contributors. It can summarize articles and websites, YouTube and Bilibili videos, Wikipedia articles, and even Hacker News and Reddit threads. The extension runs entirely in your browser, using your GPU via WebGPU in Chrome and Edge, or your CPU via WebAssembly, which now works everywhere. WebAssembly is the default on Firefox and an opt-in fallback on Chromium browsers, useful on machines without WebGPU. No backend, no API keys, no cloud. Just install the extension and go. There are two ways to run it. First, in Browser AI with zero setup, it runs small, fast models entirely in your browser. On first use, it downloads the model weights, which range from roughly 270 megabytes to 2.2 gigabytes depending on the model, and caches them locally. After that, everything works offline for power users. Apogee also connects directly to a local Ollama instance over the loopback address to run larger models. The Firefox version uses a local backend server to talk to your Ollama instance, ensuring nothing leaves your device. You can get fast summaries without opening the pop-up. Just right, click a page and select Summarize this page. You can also use the keyboard shortcut, which is default Alt plus Shift plus U, and it is remappable in your extension settings. A system notification tells you when the summary is ready. The extension supports multiple summary formats, including bullets, sentences, or paragraphs. It can summarize any page, including articles, blog posts, documentation, and long threads. It can also summarize YouTube videos from their transcript and PDFs opened in the browser. You can ask questions about the page. Apogee reads the whole page, not just the first few thousand characters, using on-device retrieval. This means answers can come from deep inside a long article, PDF, or transcript. You can also click any bullet in a summary, and Apogee scrolls to and highlights the passage of the original page it came from. This lets you spot. Check a claim without rereading everything. It supports contextual Q&A on any active tab and direct integration with open models like Gemma 3, QW 3, Mistral, and Llama 3.1. Most AI summarizer extensions send the page you are reading to a company's servers. Apogee doesn't. It runs quantized language models directly inside your browser, on your GPU via WebGPU, or on your CPU via WebAssembly. So the text you summarize is processed locally and discarded. There is nothing to log into and nothing to leak. Apogee was inspired by Mozilla's discontinued Orbit project, which offered browser summarization, but routed everything through centralized cloud servers. Apogee fixes that by being fully local first. No server dependency means no data leaks, no subscription, and nothing that can be shut down or sunset. The community reaction so far has been positive. One commenter noted that this looks very interesting and they are planning to test it out. Another commenter pointed out that it should directly connect to your Ollama setup. The creator confirmed that the extension connects directly to a local Ollama instance over the loopback address, ensuring that larger models can be used without sending data to the cloud. The GitHub repository currently has 34 stars, and the extension is available on both the Chrome Web Store and the Firefox add-on site. Obviously, it is far from complete. I would love to hear your feedback and suggestions. If you want to check out the source code, the link is in the description. You can install Apogee from the Chrome Web Store or the Firefox add-on site. It is a fully local, privacy-respecting alternative to cloud-dependent tools. No server dependency means no data leaks, no subscription, and nothing that can be shut down or sunset. It is designed as a private in-browser AI summarizer for your articles, videos, and PDFs. It runs on WebGPU WebAssembly or your local Ollama. The full breakdown is on the channel. If you value your privacy, give Apogee a try. Let me know in the comments. If you prefer local inference or cloud speed, I will see you in the next one.